everybody, welcome back to Sarah J. Awesome. So we have an interesting video today. A lot of you have asked me if you can use a Tesla to take your driving test in Texas, and my firstborn child is on his way to go take his driving test right now. And hopefully he passes. And he's gonna take it in the Tesla. And I have another cracked windshield, so we'll see if they let him take the test in a Tesla with a huge crack across the windshield in the driver's line of sight. So let's everyone wish my son luck, and hopefully they let him test in this, and hopefully he doesn't wreck my car. I will update y'all soon. Well, he passed. So apparently I am a good teacher because I am the only person that has been teaching him how to drive, and my other son too, basically. He passed. And I'll turn that down so I don't get copyright. So we are headed home now. I have to get him on the insurance now. So I'm gonna call State Farm and see if that's any cheaper than Geico. And yeah, so you can do a driving test, at least here in Texas, in a Tesla. And I heard the ladies coming out that have to get in the car with the, student drivers and do the test with them. And they were, I heard them laughing to each other because they said the first time they each got a Tesla to do a test in, they didn't know how to open the door. So I was cracking up. I didn't say anything to them because I was kind of like off to the side waiting with the other parents, but that was pretty funny. I heard them all joking around, then they didn't know how to get out of the car, so that's hilarious. They're intimidating to the tester, and not just the student driver. So anyway, super proud of my son. So proud of you. That's my son, Bryson. Anyway, so that is your answer. Yes, you can take a test in a Tesla, and they let him test with the broken windshield, so that's great too. Look how broken this thing is. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.